Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a shark eating game. So to do that, let's get rid of this cat and choose a new sprite from the library. Let's go to animals, and in the animals we have to choose a shark. Now in the shark, let's go to costume, and you can see two costumes are there. Now let's delete this costume. I think these two costumes will be okay. Now let's go to the backdrop and change the backdrop to a realistic backdrop. So let's take the fill color and take the blue color and fill it blue. Now drag it here. Now let's draw some rocks. So in the paint, so now let's draw some rocks. Now let's go to the paint. Now here we will select gray color, this gray color. Now from here we want to draw some rocks like that. Now here like that, and from here like that. So it should touch the edge of this. So it should touch the edge like that. Now let's take the fill option and take another gray like that and fill it over here and here. Now let's take the paint option and take the green color and do some of these plants like that, and here like that. So in both the sides you have to do, or you can choose a backdrop from your files. So you can do that by here. Here you can see there is upload backdrop from file. You can upload that backdrop from your file, but I do not have underground water backdrop, but you can check in the Google underground water images and from there you can drag. So here our drawing is done. Now let's go to the scripts and go to shark, and here we want it to move towards our mouse. So I have told you in a previous video that in the rat, how we have done to rat. So let's take this when green flag is clicked, go to control, take the if statement, first take the forever loop and take the if statement and go to sensing, take the distance to, go to operators, take the greater than symbol. Distance should be here, distance to mouse pointer, and greater than 20. So let me check it, is it true or not here. So it is true. Let's drag this here. Now after that we will go to the motion, take the move 10 steps option and take the move point towards mouse pointer. So first we want it to point towards our mouse pointer, then we will move it 10 steps. Now if on edge bounce. So in the rat we have not done if an edge bounce, but here we will do. And in the control, let's take wait 0.1 seconds, 0.1 seconds. And now what we have to do, go to motion and take the set rotation style, because if we will not take that and you will try it, and when you will go to left and it will upside down. So to avoid that, let's take the set rotation style left and right. So you can see now it is going left and right. So now we want our fish we will change its costume. You can see two costumes are there. So now we want costume, go to looks, take the next costume. Now you can see it is hungry. So now let's take another sprite, that will be the fish. So let's go to animals and take the fish here, fish 3. And now we will shrink the fish. It is very big. So in the fish we will go to events and take the when green flag is clicked. Go to control, take the forever, go to sensing, go to the control and take the if statement also. Go to sensing, if touching shark, then we want it to hide. So if touching the shark, we want it to hide. So if it will touch the shark, so we have to not take this one. So forever, now also not take forever and go to control, take the repeat until. So wait, when green flag is clicked, repeat until, go to sensing and touching, repeat until touching shark. So it will repeat until we have take our shark and touch it over here. So so what it will repeat and go to motion, move 3 steps. Let make it 4 steps. So move 4 steps, and we want it to if on edge bounce. Now we want it if touching, so it will hide right over here. And let's make a variable that will be score. So in the score, we want change score by 1 if it touches the shark. And at first set score to 0. And now we want this fish over here. We want 3 fish. So let's duplicate this and this. So let's take this over here and this over here. So like that. And their codes are same. So in this fish we have moved 4 steps, and here let's make it faster, 5. And fish 4 we will make it 2. And let's make 3 1. Move 1 steps. And now if you will notice, now if you will start the game, you can see the shark is going and eating the fish like that. So here is another problem also. We have not taken this motion and not taken the show and so drag the show here and also show here and also show here. And another thing we have not done, go to motion, take the set rotation style left to right like that. So now it will work. If you will notice, now they are moving without upside down. So you can see score is also going on, and here our game ended. So now you can make this game and play with your friends, siblings. And if you like this video, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel and share it to your belongings. Thank you.